first with your warm-up lang po. Everybody stand. So, to your side of the carriage, facing up the center lang po. Tingin na po dito. Straight ahead. Diretso. Yan. Okay, so make sure your feet and toes align. Okay. Hips and knees. Relax na po. Then take a deep breath. And exhale slowly. Okay, one more time. Inhale. And exhale. Okay, I want you to curl your spine. Okay. Press your stomach, reach for your toes, slowly inhale. And exhale. Inhale again as you pull yourself, curl your spine up, and slowly lift. Stop. Okay, one more time. Inhale through your nose, reach, and slowly curl. And inhale again, and exhale slowly. Okay, one more time. Inhale, reach for your toes slowly. Exhale, inhale again as you lift. Curl your spine up and slowly. Okay, so very good. Okay, so now let's start first to warm up. Prepare for your springs. 2 reds and 2 blue. Make sure that the springs are locked, okay? So for safety purposes, make sure the springs are locked. Hook properly. That's good. Okay, so everybody lie down to your carriage. Place your heel on the top of the foot bar. Heels, knees, and hips align with each other. Very good. Hands to your carriage. Masyado ba malayo? Okay. Okay, so make sure your heel is placed on the top of the foot bar. Align. Okay, I want you to press your belly, ribs down. Okay, circulate your hip bone. Slowly lift your hips up higher. Okay. Then curls your spine bone by bone, lower down your hips slowly and exhale. Okay? So I want you to feel the contraction or the tension in your abdominal muscles. Simply inhale, control, then lift slowly your hips up and slowly down and exhale. Okay, that's 2. Okay, let's make it 10 reps. Okay, inhale. Then exhale, okay. Use your ribs down, press your belly. Very good. 3, inhale. And exhale slowly. 4. Okay, feel the work on your hips. Lift your hips again. And slowly exhale. Very good. Last 3, inhale. Hold and exhale slowly. Lower down your hips. Okay, last 2. Inhale. And exhale slowly. Okay, this time, keep your feet aligned with your knees. Okay, I want you to lift your right leg up. Right leg up. Okay, then lift your hips slowly using your left leg. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Lift slowly. Nice. And exhale. Lower down your hips. Okay, let's make it an 8. So lift slowly and exhale. Very good. Okay. Make sure your palms, hands down to the carriage. Then lift. Inhale. Then exhale. Okay. Weight should be on your left side of the heels. Okay. Do not push the carriage. Lift again. And slowly exhale. That's 4. 4 more. Inhale. Lift. And slowly exhale. Last 3. Inhale up. And exhale down. Last 1. Inhale up. Exhale down. And inhale up. And hold. Okay, I want you to lower down your right leg, place it on the top of the foot bar, switch your leg, Lift your left leg up and slowly exhale, lower down your hips. Okay, again, lift your hips up, inhale, and slowly exhale. That's your 2, okay? Again, lift your hips, breathe, and exhale down. That's 3. Okay, feel the tension in the back of your thigh. Inhale again, and exhale slowly. That's 4. Inhale, up, and slowly control your core. Lower it down. That's 2. Inhale up, and slowly down. That's 1. Inhale up, and hold. Okay, now place your left feet on the top of the foot bar. Okay, I want you to extend your knees, slightly elevated your hips. Push your legs away from the foot bar. Extend your legs slowly and return. Okay, that's your 1. Okay, keep your hips elevated, working on your hands and your glutes. Again, inhale to extend and exhale to return. Okay, make sure your hips still elevated. Okay, again, inhale, then exhale slowly. That's 3. Okay, you're working on your hips right now. Always engage your core. Very good. That's 4. Then exhale down. Inhale, extend, push with your heels. And return. Exhale down. That's 1. Inhale down. And exhale. Okay, then lower down your hips, return and rest. Lower down your hips. Okay. This time, we work on your foot. Okay, so now, maintain your position. Heels and ankles parallel to each other. I want you to extend your knees. Okay, so you're moving your body away from the bar. Okay, extend. Inhale, then exhale slowly. Bend. Lower down the carriage. That's 2. Okay, make it 10 counts. Extend, push, and exhale down. 2. Push again. Inhale. Working on your front legs, your knee extensors, and exhale down. 4. Extend. Nice. Very good. Control your breathing. Last 2. And exhale down slowly. Last 1. Extend. Hold. Keep your legs on extended position. I want you to place your ball of the feet or your toes on the top of the foot bar. Place your toes top of the foot bar. Keep your legs extended. Okay, so now I want you to lift your heels like a tiptoe position. Then simply bend your knees and move your body towards the bar. Very good. Okay, keep your heels up, then push. Extend your knees. And inhale down. Very good, very good. Extend. Extend. Keep your heels up. Then bend, return. Very good. Okay. 3. Extend. And lower. Exhale. That's 4. And extend. Exhale. 5. As 3. Inhale. And exhale as you lower. Very good. Last 1. Push. And lower. Okay, this time, okay, I want you to move your heels together. Make a V position, okay? Your toes still on the foot bar. Toes still on the foot bar. Okay, then extend your knees, making a V position. Okay, extend. Then slowly return, keeping your heels together. Open up your knees. Very good. Then extend. You must feel it on your inner thighs, your legs. Yeah, that's 2. Last 4. Last 3. Exhale. Control. Keep your heels together. Last 2. Last 1. And okay. So now return your feet. Keep your legs extended. Okay, I want you to extend your legs. Okay. Feet parallel to each other. Feet parallel to each other. Okay. Toes. Very good. Okay. I want you to move your heels up. Tiptoe. Then lower down your heels to flatten. Okay, that's 1. Okay, inhale. Then exhale slowly. Okay, press. Keep your legs extended and flatten your feet. Very good. That's 3. 4. Nice breathing. Control your legs. Control your feet. Last 3. Last 2. Last 1. Okay, hold, tiptoe. Okay. This time, I want your right leg to bend. Bend your right leg. Keep your legs extended. Your left.